Welcome back on this YouTube channel of the Countersink. Now we are going to make a simple sketch in SolidWorks. It is like hexagonal head board. This board is made under SolidWorks. Look, the threads is cutted out. Look, we are going to enjoy it in SolidWorks, and even there is top hole. It is Countersink hole. Look, you may select like light plane and then select section view. Look, and then you may see the preview. Look, it is beautiful. So keep watching. But okay, and then make your surface plain white, and even the system or specification is in millimeter gram seconds. And then let me see the object in the views. Look, firstly we have top view of this board, have 5.2 mm top plane sketch, and then select central pentagon or hexagon, draw from the origin point, select, and then smart dimension from here up to here. There is like 5.2 mm. Look, and then make this line and this line horizontal. Look, it's a fully defined sketch. And then feature extrude the boss and base, and we are going to extrude up to 40.3 mm. Okay, look, and look at the bottom view, and then select this face sketch, select circle, and then draw from the origin point, and then assign dimension, smart dimension. This circle, it contains like 3 mm diameter, and then extrude up to 10 mm. Okay, look, and then we are going to make at the top, select the face sketch, and then make the edge that is not cutted on, and then select this circle and this line tangent, feature extrude the cut. We're going to cut side these edges. Select this point, flip side to cut, and then look the preview, it is cutted out, and then select degree, and then select 45. Look, it is created. Look the preview, select OK. Look, on another side, I'm going to make it. We are helping your plane. Select this plane, select this face, and even this face. Look, our plane is created in the mid plane of this head, and then mirror. Select this cutout, and then look the preview, it is created at this bottom view. Select OK, and then hide this plane. Look, our bolt head is already created, but let me add the threads, and then select here hole wizard, and then go to the options of the hole wizard, select the threads. Look, and then select the face location, select this face. Look, and then extrude up to 9. Look, and then offset. We're going to cut offset, reverse direction, keep and condition 2 mm, but keep here 11 mm. Look, and scroll down, inch die, no problem. Cut threads, when we need to cut inside, not extrude. When extrude, the diameter of this shaft, it is changed. Okay, go up and select OK. Look, our threads is automatically created. Look, and we're going to make at the top of this face to make into hole without drawing it the hole. It is a countersink hole. Select the hole wizard and then select the hole wizard. Look, and then select this portion hole. Okay, and then select diameter. Diameter is 3 mm. Look for 3 mm, 3, and then condition blind, and then extrude up to 6 mm. And then select up to this, but the downward it is extruded. And then select these positions, like this face, and then go inside this surface and then select OK. Look, our hole is automatically created. Look, may section this view in order to see how it look like. Look, our drawing is automatically created, or it is beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel and even share to your colleagues for more video, especially SolidWorks. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.